Hi everyone, this is Swapnil Wale, founder of technopm.com. Today I'm going to talk about PageFly. We have been using PageFly for quite a few months and it's a great product. There are a few things we like about PageFly. The first is their support. It's an awesome team. They're always there for you and they always fix your issues. It is very easy to use with. You can do drag and drop, and my whole team has been using PageFly. And it also integrates very well with Shopify, so that makes it a great option for us because we use Shopify a lot and love the fact that we can just drag and drop products into our landing page. So if you're looking at creating high converting solid landing pages, then PageFly is the way to go.